This is a quick video on how to pair a Hollyland Lark M2. This is if you bought an extra receiver and trying to pair that to your existing Hollyland Lark M2 system. So as you can see here, I have the USB-C version. This is the set, and then I wanted an extra receiver, and I have not seen anywhere online where you can pair this correctly. All the instructions I saw did not really help me, so I figured it out myself, and now I'm going to show you how to pair that yourself. So the first thing you're going to do is turn on your receiver. There's two buttons on the left hand side. If you hold it down, I think you have to hold it down 3 seconds and you see the blue lights start blinking, but they're blinking pretty slowly. What you're gonna do is hold down the bottom button until these blue lights blink very fast. So I'm gonna hold it down and wait until it starts blinking really fast. There you go. This means it's in the pairing mode. So right now I'm gonna pair my transmitter, and when I pull my transmitter out, you're gonna see that it's blinking very slowly. So let's just actually pretend it's off. I'm gonna turn it off real quick. Now I'm gonna turn it on by holding this button. Hold it down. And then it turns on. And then keep holding it down. There you go. Now you keep holding it down when it's off. And now you see they're both solid. So now it means that they both paired. So once again, if this is off, I'm gonna hold it to turn the transmitter off. What you need to do is just keep holding this. It's going to turn on, but keep holding it. And then keep holding it when it turns on, and then it's going to start blinking fast. There you go. And then that means it's in pairing mode. And now it's paired with my receiver. So you see this has a solid light and that has a solid light. All right, I hope that helps you out. I saw a lot of people online thought it wouldn't work, so they bought the transmitter and then they returned it. And it kind of freaked me out because I thought it wasn't going to work for me either. But then I tried that new thing where you just held it down and it worked for me. So hopefully this helps you out too. All right, see ya.